up, guys? KidMar95 here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, we have a technical analysis on Monero here, currently up about 1.5% in USD value, sitting just below 250, sitting at 247. We're down about 3%, 3.5% BTC value, sitting at 2.5 million satoshis. But really quick though, folks, before we take a look at that, let's go ahead and run through the market. Market cap is sitting at 458 billion. Today's volume is 30.9 billion. Bitcoin dominant sitting at 36.1. Bitcoin up about 5.5% for the day, folks. We did finally break above 9,300 on the 4-hour, so our trade did activate. Now what we're waiting for is a break and close above 9,700 on the hourly before we decide to take a new position. Ethereum up 11%, sitting just below 800. That one picked up a lot of steam. Ripple finally broke the 85 mark, sitting at 90 cents. Bitcoin Cash up 0.5%. EOS up almost 3. Cardano down. I'm sorry, EOS down almost 3. Cardano down 2. Litecoin up 7.5. Lumen's up 1.5%. IOTA up 3. Neo up almost 2. Big winners today. Let's see. Matrix AI Net up 26. Loom up 23. Decred up 17. KuCoin's up 15. Gas up 13. 0x up 8. Status up almost 7. Who else? Digibyte up 5. Big losers. Mixin, Fusion, Populous all down 7%. But let's go ahead and look at some price action that you folks came here for. Market cap is sitting at 3.9 billion. Today's volume is 113 million. Circulating supply of 15.9 million. Major exchanges here, folks: HIT BTC, Binance, Bitfinex, Poloniex, BitDump, Upbit, and Bittrex and Kraken looks like are the major exchanges. Let's go ahead and look at some price action. So this is BTC to USD on the daily. Let's go ahead and switch over to the daily. Or I'm sorry, that was the hourly. Let's go over to switch over to the daily, see what happened yesterday. So we had this nice little ascending little triangle that we had. Price finally broke out of it. Looks like we came down to test for support here at 9,400. Since then, we've kind of slowly been retracing towards the upside. Momentum definitely starting to shift towards the upside. As you can tell, we've bottomed out. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 4-hour, see what the 4-hour is showing us. So the 4-hour is showing us our next entry is a break and close above 9,700. Once we do break and close above 9,700 on the 4-hour, Bitcoin should be good to go. But other than that, folks, maybe expect a small retracement down to about 9,500, 9,400 once again, and then bouncing towards the upside. Ethereum picked up a lot of momentum yesterday, folks. We finally broke above 700. We actually broke through our resistance, and we're testing it right now. Currently sitting at 790. If we break and close above this resistance, folks, expect Ethereum to come up to about $1,000, no problem. Double bottom here on the momentum indicator. Momentum definitely started to shift towards the upside. Ethereum good to go, folks. Let's go ahead and take a look at Litecoin. Litecoin did finally break above 155. That's what we were waiting for. Once we got that break and close above 155, we were going to load up on Litecoin, and we finally got that yesterday, so it's time to load up on Litecoin. Momentum definitely starting to shift towards the upside, as you can tell. But you folks came here for some Monero to BTC technical analysis. We're looking at Monero to BTC on the daily. Bittrex is the broker. This is the pattern we kind of got going on here. So what we were actually waiting for is a break and close above 271 satoshis, or 2.7 million satoshis, sorry, I should say. Once we got the break and close above this level, we were going to take an entry. However, price actually failed to break this level. So what I'm actually expecting here for Monero is for us to come down to about 23 and possibly hold at this level. What that's going to do is that's going to be giving us a double bottom here and here. And then I'm expecting a bounce towards the upside. However, if price doesn't hold at this level, I'm definitely expecting Monero to come all the way down to about 165 and then bouncing towards the upside. But again, folks, this is just my personal opinion. I am not a financial advisor. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 4-hour, see what the 4-hour is showing us. So the 4-hour is actually showing us a bounce off this trend line. So now might be a good time to take an entry. However, this is, in my opinion, an aggressive trade since we did, we're still in this nice little downtrend that we got, no signs of breaking it. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This is the nice little uptrend we got. So I'm actually waiting for this to be broken. It could possibly be broken here. This is a nice little consolidation zone we were in before we decided to break out, and now we've retraced to our support level. So what I'd be waiting for, folks, is you could take a small position here and just kind of watch the bounce and wait for it to break this trend. Or if you want to play it safe, just wait for the break and close above 2.7 million satoshis, and then take a position there. because we still have some room towards the downside. If we don't hold at this level, folks, expect us to come down to about 2.1 million Satoshis, and that's why I'll be taking my position. I don't think we'll be coming down this low. This seems a little bit drastic now that this market is back the way it is. But definitely just wait for the retracement down to 2.2 million. Take a buy here or add a small position here. That's just my personal opinion. Let's go ahead and zoom out a little bit, show you guys where I see this going. No problem, folks. Monero could easily come back up to its all-time high here at about 3.7 million Satoshis. Again, just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor, but that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to re-steam, upvote, comment down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. If you guys are on YouTube, make sure you guys are subscribed and have post notifications turned on. I do post a new video every single day. Other than that, guys, thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.